Welcome back students. This is 12th part of important MCQs with answer of management. Course code is 22509. First question is why understanding team is needed. First option to assign teamwork. Second to control activities of team. Third to satisfy needs of team. And fourth is all. And the answer is D, that is all. Next question is what is chronology of steps in control process? Setting performance, comparing actual performance, taking corrective actions, measurement of actual performance. Options are first 1423, second 1243, third 1324 and fourth 2143 and the answer is B, that is 1243. Next is critical point control method is concerned with first taking corrective actions, second measurement of actual performance, third analyzing deviations and fourth none and the answer is C, that is analyzing deviations. Steps in controlling process are first setting performance standards, second measurement of actual performance, third comparing actual performance with standards and fourth all the above and the answer is D, that is all the above. These are the steps in controlling process. Following is not the quantitative control technique. First, ratio analysis, second, break-even analysis, third, observations and fourth, audits. And the answer is C, that is observation is not a quantitative control technique. Controlling should never be flexible. Objective of control should be clear. Out of these two statements, only one is correct. Second option is only two is correct. Third option both correct and fourth option both wrong. And the answer is B, that is only second is correct. That is objectives of control should be clear. How decision can be elaborated? First, by written document, second, by conducting meeting, third, by counseling and fourth, by all. And the answer is D, that is all. Why counseling by supervisor is needed? First, loss of confidence, second, dull working conditions, third, need support and fourth, all. And the answer is D, that is all. To avoid confusion taken by higher management, decision must be first elaborated, second cancelled, third forced and fourth reverse and the answer is A, that is elaborated. To avoid the confusion taken by higher management, decision must be elaborated. What are not ways to lay disciplinary standards? First, disciplinary actions. Second, training for discipline. Third, policy decisions in discipline. And fourth, forgiving for new times. And the answer is D, that is forgiving for few times. What are the benefits to supervisor of understanding team? First, to take perfect decision. Second, promotion. Third, status. Fourth, increments. And the answer is A, that is to take perfect decision. What are the types of audits? First, internal. Second, external. Third, management. And fourth, all. And the answer is D, that is all. These are the types of audits. Out of the following, which is not the qualitative standards? First, relations, second, goodwill, third, motivation and fourth, time. And the answer is D, that is time. Too many controls dash workers. First, motivate, second, assist, third, irritate and fourth, benefit. And the answer is C, that is irritate. That means too many controls irritate workers. Communication with all department is first open loop, second closed loop, third oral, and fourth non-verbal, and the answer is A, that is open loop. Communication with all department is open. Instructions by supervisor should be clear, simple, on time, specific. Options are first 1, 2 correct, 3, 4 wrong. Second option is 1, 2 wrong, 3, 4 correct. Third is all correct and fourth is all wrong. And the answer is C, that is all correct. Instruction by supervisor should be clear, simple, on time and specific. Then next question is, what are the benefits to supervisor of understanding team? First, to take perfect decision, second promotion, third status, and fourth increments. And the answer is A, that is to take perfect decision. Directions by supervisors cannot avoid following problems. First, wastage of time, second, rework, third, machine capacity, fourth, repetitive mistakes. And the answer is B, that is